Alright, it may be loud over here. There's a lot going on, but I want to show you something. This Hoshizaki ice machine, it's a flaker, right? This is very specific to this brand. They have a 3 amp motor and a 1 amp, a gear motor fuse. I replaced those with little poppers because, and I've caught some flack for this in the past, lightning storms will come through, I promise you. Storms will come through and the fuse will be blown. And so I put these in so that they could be reset. But, hear that little squealing? The gear motor was blowing all the time here. Now, it's an old machine, so realistically it may be getting there. But when you pull your amp draw on the motors, it's running way less than 3 amps. What happens is, there's this heater. See this? See the old one? So there's a heater that's strapped around. It's just a 120 volt heater, but it failed. And when that heater fails, its purpose is to heat up the neck enough to moisten the cylinder lice that's coming up so that it slides smoothly. It doesn't slide smoothly and it gets jammed up, and then it backs up in there, and the gear motor is by design pushing and twisting up the rod of ice, and then we were tripping the breaker. So easy peasy to replace this. You can see we just cut and put Wagos on. Very easy to test if you have the flaker, because you can just back up and look. It should be hot all the time. They diagnosed this while I was down and out with my surgery, so they didn't have that luxury. So they had to go to the wiring and pull. They saw there was no amps. Then they had to actually get to the board where it comes from and saw there was voltage. So they had 120 volts, but no amps. Bad heater. They replaced the heater, and now bada bing. So just wanted you to see that one, because it's kind of a funny one, but it's not uncommon. And if you don't know that's how this works, that's fun. If you don't know that's how this works, it can be fun to try and diagnose what's going on with why you're locking up your gear motor.